As of now guys, nasa 87 yung price action nitong si Pi. I'll give some update lang dito guys kasi sobrang daming nagtatanong no and other feedbacks. Sasagutin ko lang yung mga questions ninyo dito. Discuss din natin dito yung naging profits natin. For example, this one. Meron tayong naging negative guys, negative 564 USDT. This is more or less 30k. Tapos meron naman tayo ditong positive PNL guys. No? This is more or less 60k naman na profits na natin guys. No? So pag-uusapan natin yan dito sa video natin today. Pero bago tayo dito magsimula, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na ito, please like this video first. Subscribe yung YouTube channel natin. Turn on the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel guys. No? So kahapon nagkaroon ng pagtaas ng presyo itong si Pi. Ginawan din natin ang update. Ano yung tingin ko dito as well as yung feedback ng community guys. No? So as of now, we're just checking yung pinaka-price action niya. 1 week time frame. Nagkaroon siya dito ng pagbagsak ng presyo. All-time low niya as of now is nasa 37.62. Ito yung naging support niya guys, no? Around 37 and PHP. Pero this is more or less nasa, check natin guys. Ito yung discussion natin kahapon. Nasa 62 cents no in USDT. Yung pinaka base support nitong si Pi. And diniscuss rin natin kahapon itong diagonal trend line. As long as na nare-respect niya to, high probability na magkakaroon siya ng pagtaas ng presyo. No? So it was happened. Nabasag niya pa nga itong mention natin kahapon na 93-92 cents. No? As of now, price action is 1.54. Retesting yung previous highs niya, which is 1.61. Na-reject as per or as of recording this video. Pero may mga questions dito guys, how to buy and sell. Siguro for ideas lang. Again, itong video natin today is just for ideas lang. I just want to give some insights dito and then acknowledge yung feedbacks, comments, and questions nyo dito guys. No? Dito, nasa resistance na siya guys. No? It's hard to chase na. It's very risky na ito guys. No? And comparing na dun sa mga nakabili around 61 cents, 63 cents, nasa 34, 35 in PHP. Kahit papano medyo low risk lang guys. No? Pero as of now, nasa resistance yan. Anytime pwedeng mangyari yung resistance retest tapos bumagsak ulit. No? So that's the risky part dito. If ever man na gusto mo pa rin bumili. Dami nagtatanong guys how to buy and sell. Pero in the essence ng to buy, it depends yan guys sa inyo. It's your decisions yan guys. No? But in my own opinion, if nakabili na ako dito, this area will be my take profit na and hindi na buying guys. No? Kasi nasa resistance. Almost resistance, nasa range na yan ng mga nagbebenta at hindi bumibili. No? So yan yung isa sa mga opinion ko dito guys. Again, it's my own opinion lang. And dito guys, I would say ito na yung totoong laro guys. No? Na-list na ito. And dito na malalaman kung gaano ka ka-disiplinado yung patience mo if you are in trading guys. Pero if you are beginner, just take time to learn, and if you think na para sa'yo talaga ito, you decide guys. No? It depends yan sa magiging approach mo dito. So if we observe guys, we have some profits dito. I think this is almost 60k profits. Total PNL, punta tayo dito sa ating trade history. Punta tayo dito sa position history. And then yung Pi, meron tayo ditong profits. Let's check itong si Pi USDT dito. Let's go here. Ayan. So dito guys, ayan, punta tayo sa position history. So papakita ko dito guys yung negative and positive. So if we observe dito, meron tayong positive 196 USDT. Nag-cut tayo dito sa short natin kasi tumaas. We get stop out. Meron tayong negative dyan. Meron din tayo ditong negative 163 USDT. Ito guys yung ganito yung crypto, ganito yung trading guys. No? Yung loss na ito around almost 10k. Loss na ito almost 5k. So total of more or less 20k kasama ito, pero we take profits around 285 USD, more or less 15k. Meron tayong mga loss, meron pa tayo dito mga loss, and marami pa tayo dito mga trades. Hindi ko lang ma-open lahat, pero dito sa pinaka summary you can see yung PNL by symbol guys. No, like for example last 7 days, ayan. So makikita natin dito yung refresh lang natin, ayan. Ito yung naging profits ko, ito yung naging negative ko guys. No, and that's normal. Like for example, ito yung mga negative natin for the past 30 days. No, And as mentioned, ito yung totoong laro sa crypto kung paano ka tatagal dito. It will acknowledge yung mga experience mo, skills, and the risk management, guys, no? So, yun, dun sa mga nakapag-claim naman ng Pi, congrats, and you deserve that. It's free. And sa mga nagtatanong dito, hope I acknowledge your questions, feedback sa price action niya as of now. Retesting yung pinaka-resistance zone. Ayan. So, nagre-react yung sellers dito. If you observe, guys, ito tinamaan ng price action and then na-reject, guys, no? This area is opportunity for me, guys, no? This is a selling opportunity doon sa mga nakabili within this area. So, it depends yan, guys, sa approach ninyo, no? So, sa mga nagtatanong how to buy and sell, it depends yan, guys. Maybe I'll do some tutorials. Feel free to comment kung ano yung specific na ideas, guides na gagawin ko dito na specific lang doon sa mga nagtatanong, no? Doon sa may mga feedbacks and questions dito. But for me, in my own opinion, I don't want to chase this price action na malapit sa resistance, guys, no? Kasi magiging exit liquidity lang kayo dito ng mga nakabili dito sa support zone. So, yun yung isa sa mga update natin dito. So, if you have questions, guys, feel free to comment lang sa comment section ng video na ito. And I'll try my best to give some insights, feedbacks dito, guys, no? So, yun lang for today. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.